Hello dear students, welcome to surfgyan.com career guidance portal. This is a tutorial about how to fill JEE Main 2022 application form. First, visit the official website of JEE Main. There are 3 steps to apply online. Click on new registration. First is registration, second is application form, and third is fee payment. You can download the information bulletin. Also, you can read all the instructions. Check the box and click here to proceed. First is personal details. Enter your name, enter your father's name. Next, enter your mother's name. Next is date of birth. Next, select your gender. Next is your ID type. You can choose from the following option. Next is your ID number. Next is your present address. You have to enter your complete address, premises, number, name, then sublocality, country, your state, district, and pin code of your area. Next is your email address. This will be required for communication. Confirm your email address. Next is your mobile number. You have to enter 10-digit mobile number for communication. Again, confirm your mobile number. You can also add alternate contact number. Next is tick the box if your permanent address is same as present address. Next is choose a password. You have to choose a strong password. Confirm your password. Next, select a security question and your security answer. Next is security pin. And then click on submit. Now this is a review page. You can review your entries. Check all the boxes. And read the declaration part. Check on I agree. You can edit your registration form and click on submit and send OTP. Now you have to verify your mobile number through OTP. Click on submit registration form. As you can see, your registration form is completed. Next is application form and then fee payment. Click on complete application form. Next step is personal details. Click on personal details. First is your nationality, state or UT from where 12th, passed or appearing, your category. Are you a PWD candidate? Select yes or no. Are you diabetic? Again yes or no. your place of residence, annual family income, and your mode of preparation. Again, enter the security PIN. Next, medium of schooling and qualifying examination. Then security PIN. Then click on Save and Next. Next is Aadhaar detail. Do you have Aadhaar number? Select yes or no. Click on Submit. Next is applying for paper 1, paper 2A and paper 2B. You can choose any one of them or all of them. Here we are selecting only paper 1 for BE B.Tech. Next is question paper medium. Next is exam city preferences. Select your state and exam city preference number 1. Again your state and exam city number 2. Again exam city 3 and similarly 4. Next is guardian occupation. Your guardian qualification, your mother occupation and qualification. Again enter the security PIN. And click on Save and Next. As you can see, this is the qualification details field. Your 10th or equivalent qualification detail. Select past or appearing. Passing year, qualifying exam, place of schooling, type of school, qualifying examination state, district of qualifying examination, your school board, your result mode. Now enter total marks obtained. Next is roll number. Next is name of your school and address. Then your school PIN code. Next is your 12th or equivalent qualification details. First is pass status, year of passing or appearing, qualifying examination. You have to select from the following options. Next is place of schooling. Next is type of school or college. Qualifying examination state again. Similarly, you have to fill all these entries. If you have allotted the roll number, you have to write your roll number. Again, your school or college PIN code. Next, enter the security PIN. Click on Save and Next. Click on Yes. Next is additional details. Are you twin? Yes or no. Next Next, again enter the security pin. And click on Save and Next. Next is document upload. First is your photograph in the size from 10 to 200 KB. Click on upload. Next is your signature in the size from 4 to 30 KB. Click on upload. Again enter the security pin. Click on Save and Next. This is a review page. You can review entries. Candidate must note that there will be no correction facility available, so you can use the left hand links to edit your application. You can verify the particulars checklist. Next is declaration. Read the declaration and check on I agree. Click on Submit Application Form. Now last step is fee payment. First you have to verify your email ID. You can edit your application as there won't be any application correction facility. Now verify your email ID. Click here to continue. Last step is fee payment. Click on Pay Examination Fees. Fee payment mode. Select the payment provider. And complete your payment. You can see payment is successful. Now you can download your confirmation page. All the 3 steps has been completed. Click on download confirmation page. This is the confirmation page. If you have any other queries, you can ask us on saviyaan.com. Thank you for watching.